Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. This is an update on Cardano. If you've watched my previous videos, you know we're looking for a triangle to fill out. Again, this pattern can always change, but currently just tracking this because there is a fractal in the previous wave. Looking for an ending diagonal to fill out where we make a lower low after this completes. Now this can also turn into a flat pattern where we get an ABC to the upside or a WXY. But at the moment, I have several patterns that have us needing lower lows. So I think the probabilities lie on that side currently. Now going down to the micro, if you watched yesterday's video, you know I got into this short here, looking for the one-to-one extension of our A leg off our B leg, and looking for this to form multiple zigzag patterns here down for our D leg. This is more of a scalp than a long-term trade. I want to show you this in real time, how patterns can change. First of all, have this as an A wave down. It's hard to tell whether it's 3 or 5, but I can get 5. It's just we got an extended fifth in our third where it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, an ending diagonal there. We then had either a 3 or a 5 wave up, and it appears like we have either a leading diagonal complete, and we just make an ABC here, come down. If this came down in 3, then I'd have to recount this as 3, where it'd be an A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see how you can count it both ways. So either way, taking profit at 25.26 on Binance. I believe that's the closer of the two. Yep, taking profit down there. I am currently not lowering my stop, and this is the education part of the video, because as you can see, this could be also counted as 5 or a complex correction, and currently this can be an A, B, C, which can actually be the B wave still, and our B gets moved over here, and then we get 5 waves up here, and then we come down to that one-to-one. So you can see how this just gets bigger. So if we start taking off here, don't be concerned. I would expect another wave after anyways, because as you can see, we pretty much double bottomed here. This one potentially needs another leg in the correction. So we'll see whether or not this ends up being a 3 wave in itself. Oh, my drawing tool not working. Perfect. Always the drawing tool. Anyways, you can see how this would need to be a 3 wave down, in which case we'd relabel this as a 3, or if we come back up here, look for a 3 or a 5 back down to that one-to-one extension of the A off the B, and our pivot would have to slightly change based on where our B wave comes if we come up back up to the top. But my stop doesn't change, it's still up here. I'm not looking to exit and re-enter or anything like that, just letting it run, but also knowing that this can play out, no problem. I would expect us to pivot back down to the downside afterwards. All right, guys, that's your update on Cardano. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos if you want to see the other trade setups I'm in. I'm going to be updating this pretty much every pivot. So thanks for watching.